Hi everyone, what's up? Thank you so much for being here. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jessie. So today, I am going to show you how I use the Brush Crush collection from Real Techniques. This is about the video that I have made yesterday, and I told you guys that I will make a separate video of me using these brushes, and I will give you guys my overall thoughts at the end of me using them. So if you guys want to see all of that, then please keep on watching.
So I'm going to start off with my eyes using this 303 brush, and you're probably wondering why am I going to use this for my eyes, and this is just to make the process faster, as I'm going to be using a different brush for my contour. This brush specifically made for contouring, like cream contours and all of that, but to tell you guys honestly, I just use my brushes the way I wanted to use them. And this 303 brush, I love using it for my foundations. I have the metallic version and I use it for my foundation all the time. And then the next brush that I'm going to use is the 305. I wish I got more because I definitely need like more than one of these. And then I'm going to start on my crease, and the reason why I didn't grab all of them is because I want other people to get hands on them as well. Do you know what I mean? So I just grab one of each. The only thing that I don't have is the beauty blender. I already have a diamond shaped beauty blender, and I think that I'm not really gonna be like using it. So the only difference is the color. Not really anything different, it's just the color. It's like a marbled pink and white diamond beauty sponge. Next one is a stippling brush, and this is the 301 brush. Now you can use this for creams, liquid, and powder. This is more of like a stippling brush. You can use it any way you want to. You can use it for a blush, any type of makeup, in my opinion. Just, you know, that's just me. Like, if there's a brush, I just use it any way I wanted to. Can I just say that the process of my makeup application today was pretty fast, because most of the brushes are really big and, you know, they do the job really nicely, and I'm so happy. Next, I'm going to use this kabuki brush and set my whole face. So if you are going to start doing your eyes, I would suggest that if you feel like some powder is going to go to your falsies, I suggest putting the falsies at the end. I'm pretty much used to doing this method, so I would always pop up my lashes, and if some powder goes into my brows, I'm just going to easily comb that, and then it will go back to its natural, whatever it looks like, what it's supposed to look like. One of my favorite brushes of all time, this is the 302 brush. I have the metallic version of this, and I love it so much. I use it for contouring my face, and the reason why I love this for contouring is because of the size. To me, the size of this brush is perfect for highlighting and contouring, especially my face is really not that big. By the way, if you guys are watching this right now, definitely keep an eye out, because I just got 5 new Makeup Revolution palettes, and I'm so excited to give you guys my thoughts on them. I'm gonna work on them today, even though it's Valentine's. I am, oh my gosh, I'm just really excited, okay? This is how excited I am. Now moving on to the blush, I'm going to use the 300 brush. This is actually a face powder brush, and I actually love this when I use it for my cheeks because it's so fluffy. The size is perfect. It touches directly on the apples of my cheeks, and it gives you this really nice, you know, very gradient. You can definitely build it up. You know, it doesn't look like a splat of color, if I make sense. It just glides on very nicely. It's not densely packed, wherein when you put on your blush, it looks like, hi boys and girls. And then lastly, I have this fan brush. Okay, this is the reason why I'm not a fan of fan brushes, because I feel like it's not working to me at all. By the way, I'm using the Laura Geller Stardust. Yeah, the one with the pink sheen. so you can't barely see it, but in person it's really nice, very subtle, gives you that really nice wet look glow with a hint of pink. So pretty. So this is the final look, guys. By the way, those white cotton in my shirt is from the towel. I don't know how to remove it. Probably gonna use a sticky tape for that. And I really love these brushes, and I encourage you guys to get them. They are discounted. They are buy one get one half off, and if you have a coupon, you can definitely use that and do a separate transaction to make it even cheaper.
So that's pretty much it for today, guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you are still not part of the Sassy family, go ahead and subscribe. I upload every day. Just turn your post notifications on. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. Love you.